Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Siti Nuraimi and this is my 6th video from my EPIII reflection. So as usual, what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk about what we did last week during our week 10, if I'm not mistaken. So last week in our EPIII class, we started our presentation for our group project, and also we also have to submit our group project report on Thursday last week. So we have we have like time for us to prepare our presentation last week, in which we started our presentation on Thursday, and then we also have to submit our report the same day as our presentation day. So the class that we had on Monday for EPIII, we actually had a recap of our interview assessment. Miss Ayn told us some tips and some, just a few bits of information on our interview assessments last 2 weeks. She told us about the things that we did and the appropriate answer to an appropriate question like that. So for most part of the class on past Monday, we did just what do you say, just more of a not we're not doing any learning. We just have a bit of session in regards to our interview assessment. And also Miss Ayn informed us on our presentation, which will be held on Thursday. So the Thursday last week was the first day that we started our presentation, and three groups started the presentation last week. My group would be on Monday next week, and we're the first, if I'm not mistaken. I think, yeah, my group is the first group to present for Monday next week. So at least we have we have an insight on how to do our slides, on the things that we should include in our slides for our presentation based on the groups that I've presented. And yeah, I guess that's it. There's not much that we did for our EPIII class last week. So we've submitted our group project report, and now we just have to present our work, and then after that, so next week on Monday, I think, would be the last session of our group presentation. And yeah, so yeah, that's what we're mostly what we're doing this last week. And next week is we're just gonna do a presentation for our group project. So that's my reflection last week. Stay tuned for my 7th video next week on EPIII reflection. So see you next week. Bye.